Hi guys! So basically, I'm going to show you how to edit today. So first of all, you get the thing that you want to screenshot. Now, the girl that I want to use just came online. But yeah, the person that you want to use, all you have to do is, if you don't know how to screenshot on a certain laptop you have, just search it up on YouTube. There will be tutorials. I'm on Mac. So what you have to do if you're on Mac, just in case you don't know, you have to press Shift Command 4. 4 is for if you want to screenshot a certain place. But if you want to screenshot the whole entire thing, you have to click Shift Command 3. So this is how you do it. Basically, you have to find wherever you want the background for the edit to be. I picked a bedroom. This is the bedroom. I already screenshotted it. You have to screenshot your bedroom. Then you have to go to your computer. You have to click this. Done. Okay? Now, you click cutout tool. You have to click get a photo. And then computer, and then the girl you screenshotted. Then, I know it sounds weird, but you have to make the whole entire girl green. It will take a lot of your energy from your fingers. It will make your fingers hurt. You have to learn that though. To edit, it makes your fingers hurt, and that's just how you have to edit. There's no way that you can make your fingers not hurt. So we have to deal with it. Okay. There. So basically, it's okay if you get a little bit of the white lines. It's like alright. It's your edits. So yeah. You don't even have to post your edits. I think I want to because it's more funner. Oh my gosh, there was this video when I used to not know how to edit. Oh, I forgot the website. It's Pizip. There's how you spell Pizip.com. Oh my gosh. Yeah, like I said, it's okay if you get a little bit outside the lines. You can always erase the spots that you got outside the lines. Oh, and I recommend do not use the biggest circle because that will just make a lot of stuff go outside the lines. And then it'll make your fingers more when you're going to have to erase your stuff. There. There. It's not the best. These edits will definitely not be best. But it's just one way to edit. If you don't like how the edit turned out, you can always watch the tutorials on how to edit. Okay? Now you click your erase button. You do a pretty small one, and you need to erase the parts that you don't like. It's okay if you erase a little bit of his stuff or his. I don't know which trigger you're doing, but yeah, it's okay. I'm not gonna get a lot of views for this, but you know, it's hard to edit. And it's also hard to be a YouTuber. And it's not really hard, but you always think that you're gonna be like this famous person when you're really not gonna. Like, I mean, I used to work really hard on my videos. I've been trying to do that, but I just give up. There's no way that I'm ever gonna get my goal, and my goal is 1K subs. And you already know that's too much for me. But That's my goal, and I guess I should keep on dreaming, pretending that every single night when I fall asleep, I'll wake up in the morning with 20 subs. But that's not gonna happen. I mean, if you sub, like, thank you. I got 25 so far. And I have not even worked very hard on this channel. Like, how? On my other channel, I got 51 views, and I still have the same amount of subs. If you view, I kind of want you to just subscribe, but it's your choice, and I know you all don't want to. You're just watching this to know how to edit. But whenever I come upon a good video that I really liked, I always sub to them. If you erase an important part, I recommend drawing it back. My fingers don't even hurt right now. I'm very shocked. Hey, there! Now you click your finish. See? I feel like that's good. Why did you steal me? Guess what? This is how you add a picture. Not like a thing, like a text. This is bad. But I tried. Here you go. Save. There you go. There you go. That is how you edit. Hey. So yeah, that's how you edit. Bye guys. This was only like 8 minutes long, and I'm proud of myself. Bye guys.